Three-digit subtraction, subtracting across zeros, video 1. Today we are learning how to subtract three-digit numbers with regrouping. Remember that regrouping means we are going to need to make a new group. Today we are going to see some problems where we don't have any ones or tens, so we are going to have to borrow from the hundreds and regroup to the tens place, and then borrow from the tens place and regroup to the ones place. Mrs. Schneider had 700 cookies. She gave away 258 cookies. See, 700 minus 258. How many cookies does Mrs. Schneider have left? That's what we're going to find out today. We're going to start on the right in the ones place. And we're going to ask ourselves, is there more on the top or more on the floor? What do you guys think? Is there more on the top or more on the floor? There's more on the floor. So we're going to go next door and get 10 more. Here I go. I'm going next door. Uh-oh. Yo, I'm in big trouble. There are no tens to borrow. What am I going to do? Aha! Yo, I have a great idea. I'm going to borrow 100 and bam, bam, break it into 10 tenths. All right, so if we look over here at our algorithm, we need to cross out the 700s because we don't have 700s anymore. Look, we took one over here, we regrouped it to the tens place, so we don't have 700s anymore. How many do we have there? We have one less. We have 600s left. So we're going to cross out that 7 and change it to a 6. Now we need to cross out the 0 in the tens place because we don't have 0 tens anymore. Look, now we have 10 plus 0, which is 10. So we're going to cross out that 0 and change it to 10. Yay! Now we can regroup one of the tens to the ones place. Here I go. All right, now I'm going to break it into some ones. Bam! Bam! All right, I broke that 10 into 10 once. Now we need to cross out the 10 in the tens place because we don't have 10 tens anymore. Remember, we took one of these tens and regrouped it to the ones place. So now we have one less. We have 9 tens here. So cross out that 10, change it to a 9. And now we need to cross out the 0 in the ones place because we don't have 0 ones anymore. Now we have 10 plus 0, which is 10. So cross out that 0, change it to a 10. Awesome! Now we have enough ones to subtract 8. See? Now we can do 10 minus 8. All right. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 10 minus 8 is 2. See how there's just 2 left over there? All right, now we can subtract the tens. All right, we have 9 tens and we need to take away 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, how many tens are left? 9 minus 5 equals 4. Now we can subtract the hundreds. See, we have 600s and we need to take away 2. So 6 minus 2. 1, 2. And how many are left? 6 minus 2 equals 4. All right, good job. So 700 minus 258 equals 442. You did an awesome job on this problem. Well done. All right, stay tuned. Video number 2 is coming up in a couple days. Keep working on those problems, subtracting across zeros. You're doing awesome.